What are you doing? Yoga!
Throwing away old paper?
No. Our planet is only so big, and if we continue to throw away trash like this, we will fill our planet up with waste and there will be no more space for human beings. So, what is considered waste, you ask? Waste is technically everything that is unwanted or unusable anymore, so people just throw it out or leave it sitting in their houses taking up space. However, we must learn to recycle. Recycling involves converting these useless things into something new or useful to us. As for paper, it can usually only be used once. After it's been used, paper becomes one of the many wastes that you probably just throw into the recycling bin. That definitely is an option, but today we will show you how to turn your used piece of paper into a fresh, new piece of paper for you to draw on and write on again.
For this activity, you'll need around a stack of used paper or old newspapers, a paper making frame with a screen on it, a plastic tub big enough for the frame, warm water, a sponge, a tablecloth, a kitchen blender, and a hairdryer, but the hairdryer is optional. First, you want to cut up or tear all your old paper into small pieces around the size of the tip of your finger. Next, submerge all your paper scraps into a tub of warm water overnight for roughly 24 hours. After 24 hours, transfer your paper mixture into a kitchen blender. Make sure you ask your parents for permission for dumping the paper mixture into their blender. Start blending on low pulses before turning your blender to high speed. Continue blending until your mixture is a smooth pulp. Next, transfer the pulp into your big tub. Add around half blenderful of water to the tub to dilute the pulp a bit. You can also add some paint to the water so that your paper is colored. Dip your paper making frame into the tub and make sure you get an even layer of pulp on your screen. Turn your frame upside down on a towel or an absorbent cloth and press on the screen with a sponge to absorb water and to also transfer the paper onto the absorbent surface. Either let the paper sit on the towel for another 24 hours undisturbed or use a hairdryer to blow dry the paper. After fully dried, you now have a completely new piece of paper that you can write on, fold, or even print on. In conclusion, waste takes up a lot of our precious space, so next time before you throw something out, see if you can transform it into something useful.